no one inside the State House grounds for automatic impeachment. Sana pana mashoko ayo anobuda nyoko panapa nevakomana vemuzimu ayo atari mashoko achiti the current situation munyika yezimbabwe nguva ino iri very tense. Noda kuti even kuState House hakuna vanhu kuti mbomira zvakanaka kuti subscribe like out on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa muda nyora chiti Zimbabwe currently has no legitimate president at the helm of the State House. The evidence that Emmerson Mnangagwa has long vacated the duties and obligations of the office he clings to a overwhelming. What remains is a hollow shell, propped up by system impunity and fueled by machinery that has, in effect, replaced governance with racketeering. Section 97 of Zimbabwe Constitution sets out the grounds of impeachment: serious misconduct, failure to uphold constitution, willful violation of the law, and inability to perform presidential functions due to incapacity. It is beyond dispute that these conditions are not only been met but have been grossly exceeded. Number one, abandonment of State House duties. The president vacated State House duties as early as 2022 when he physically departed from the presidential residence to personally oversee the unconstitutional installation of a convicted armed robber as a traditional chief in Chiweshe. Number two, complicity in organized fraud. The head of state is brazenly admitted, both public and indirect, through state-sponsored narratives, to sponsoring and aiding Maxwell Chukwumboso. Number three, participation in pattern of state capture and criminal enterprise. The gold mafia revelations compounded by Mnangagwa's intimate connections with controversial figures such as Hubert Ejo and Kamalesh Patni, individuals linked to violent and illicit financial operations since early 1990s. The constitutional mandate of the president is defined in unequivocal terms to uphold, protect, and defend the Constitution and discharge duties solely in the interest of the people of Zimbabwe. Yet what we have witnessed, especially since 2022, is a complete abandonment of that mandate. Ndobasvika nobuda nyorwa nevanasimba chikanza vakomana vezimu aya vachiti aiwa zviriitika munyika yedu yezimbabwe especially kubva muna 2022 hazvinasi kuonekwa kuti aiwa it is a deviation from the constitution. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu tudze mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.